Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's coming to you this week. What's up with you this week? Grounding. Oh, this is releasing yung mga mabibigat na energies. Oo, yung iba sa inyo maaring stress na kayo or masakit yung katawan nyo. So, gagawa kayo ng mga pamamaraan to ground yourself, to release negative energies, to release that stress. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magpapamasahe kayo ng katawan. Sarap magpamasahe. Oo. Or yung iba may mga gagawin kayong activities that will de-stress, no? Pagtatanggal ng stress. Yung mga, sports, ganyan, 'di ba? Nakakatanggal rin yun ng sports, ng stress. Yung, let's say, badminton, nagpapapawis ka, ayan. Or this can be grounding yourself sa earth, no? So, maaring ngayong week na to, mas magsuspend ka ng time sa nature, maglalakad ka. Alam niyo maganda yan na pang-ground, no? Yung, nakaapa ka lang sa lupa, tapos, or you are hugging a tree. That's one way to ground yourself and connect with nature. Communication. So, maaring merong important communication na darating sa inyo ngayong week na to. This can be from someone na malayo sa inyo, or maaring meron kayong kakausapin, no? Na importanteng transaction with someone. You also have source, so this is connected ka sa divine. You are connected to the source. I think yung iba sa inyo, parang no? Communicating with the source. So some of you, Taurus, maaring madalas kayo ngayon na magdasal, mag-meditate. If you are someone who is very spiritual, ano man yung pina-follow mo na religion, or ano man yung spiritual practice mo, you are really connecting to your higher self. You are connecting to the source, to God, to the universe. So mas ka ngayon, mas enlightened. Okay, let's see your overall energy this week. You have the Page of Swords. So ngayong week na to, very curious ka. Marami kang gustong alamin, i-research. Maaring meron ka ring mga kakausapin na importanteng tao para sa mga endeavors mo, yung mga projects mo. This can be sa business or sa iyong trabaho. May mga kailangan kang kausapin. And some of you are also learning something new. You are learning a new skill. Yung iba, maaring nag-enroll kayo sa isang short course or literal na papasok uli kayo sa school, magko-continue kayo ng master's degree, doctorate's degree, or mag-a-add ka lang ng bagong kaalaman, no, to open more opportunities for you. Your challenge is the Three of Cups. So, as a challenge, pwedeng magkaroon ng issue within your community or your friendship, yung close connections mo. Maaring may tampuhan within your friendship, or I think yun yung kailangan mong kausapin ngayon, no, for some of you. Pwedeng may issue with a friend, pwedeng hindi ninyo nabibigyan ng time yung isa't isa. Parang this can be a challenging situation, hindi lang sa isang tao or within a group of people. Let's say sa barkada, minsan kampi-kampi sila. Tapos mas lumalala yung away or problema dahil nagkakampihan. Okay, your opportunity. Ooh, the Six of Wands. You have the opportunity to be successful, to be known, to be popular. So, maaring this week, may mga gagawin kang actions na kung saan kumbaga parang agaw atensyon ka. Or makakaagaw ng atensyon ng iba. Let's say, sa trabaho mo, meron kang exemplary na magagawa. No? Tapos, i-acknowledge yan ng boss mo, i-highlight yan. So, maaring yung attention ng iba nasa iyo na, uy, ang galing mo naman, Taurus, ganon. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron din ditong mga admirers, no? So, pwedeng isa sa admirer mo, kaibigan mo. Kaya, pwedeng yung parang may jealousy within the friendship, no? Kasi pwedeng yung may nag-a-admire sa'yo ay merong nagkakagusto na iba. So, alam mo yun, medyo complicated. But, this is an opportunity as well na to be out there, to show your talents, your skills to others. So, sa anumang paraan yan, whether sa office mo yan, sa trabaho, sa career mo, or if you are a social media content creator, ganyan. So, you will be seen by a lot of people. Your blessing is the Judgment card. So, this is reinvention. This is rebirth. So, may mga changes na maaring mangyari sa'yo ngayong week na to that will lead to a brand new you. So, kung ano man yung dati mong ginagawa, maaring may magbabago dyan. Dahil meron kang nadidiscover sa sarili mo or may na-discover ka sa sarili mo na kakayanan. And now, you are embracing that. And this week, also, magiging maingat ka no, sa mga actions na gagawin mo. You're going to be very strategic. Meron talaga ritong issue with someone. Pwedeng sa kaibigan. Para kasi siyang nagkaroon ng mali siya. Ganon. I don't know kung bakit may mali siya dyan. Pwedeng, may na friend zone dito eh. Oo. And then, very rebellious energy, breaking free. So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, you are focused on achieving your goals. Ayaw mo ng distraction ngayon. Ayaw mo na ma-divert yung attention mo sa mga bagay na hindi naman importante. Kaya, if merong mang tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na nagdi-distract sa'yo, I think yun yung iiwasan mo. Dream Weaver, tune into the energetic grids around you. Where can you send your energy for healing? So, I think meron kang inaayos na problema or issue mo na alam mo na magagawan mo to ng paraan anytime soon. Okay? So, you are doing your best. You are also finding solutions. And I see you becoming successful in that, in finding a solution. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.